If you're living in a foreign land like Kuwait, for instance, and you desire to send money back home, but at the comfort of your living area, at the comfort of your house, simple thing to do is to be able to download a mobile banking app that will allow you to be able to do those transactions. Now, for me, for instance, I downloaded this app here for Joy Lucas Exchange. So I'm using this app to be able to do that. Now, the moment that you log in, this is the page that you'll find yourself in. Now, if you want to send money, you see this place that I've just circled. There is where you're supposed to click. So click here and be able to fill in the details of the recipient, whether it's a bank account or an individual. So if you want to send money, for instance, to this person here, you just select this arrow, green arrow, and you'll be able to do that. But again, if the person or the bank account that you want to send, you have never sent them money before, you find that the transactions are no longer here. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to go to this top part, this part called the beneficiary, and you're supposed to add. So you click on this plus sign and enter the bank details or the personal details of that recipient, and you'll be able to do that. Now for me, for instance, I want to send money to this person, for instance, there. So after clicking that part, I'll also click on the next arrow to move to the next step. Then now I'll be able to fill in the amount of money that I want to send. And since I'm in Kuwait, I'll fill on this part here. That's Kuwait dinar. So for instance, I want to send 50 dinar. That's what I'll write. Then I'll select the purpose of that amount. So family maintenance. Okay, so that's the purpose. Come to the source of the money that I'm sending. So it is my salary. So I'll select that. There's no actually any other option. So the charges there, you'll be able to see the charges of sending that money. The charges are written here. It's 1.5 dinar. Those are the charges. Then the amount in Kenyan shillings is already converted and written here. That's 23,027 shillings as of now, the date that I'm making this video. Now, come down here on this icon and click proceed. Then you select your mode of payment. If it's a debit card, you select that, and then you'll be diverted to Kenneth Payment Gateway to settle the transaction amount from your bank account. If you select confirm, and then it means you'll be sending that amount to that person, and that is exactly how you just do that transaction with ease. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.